Have you ever noticed how the word loan almost always comes with a sigh? For most people, it feels heavy. A mortgage, a stack of student loans, credit card bills that just keep piling up. It's overwhelming. But here's the secret most people don't talk about. The right loan at the right time can completely change your life. Let's start with mortgage refinancing. Imagine a family that's been barely scraping by, with their house payment eating up almost every paycheck. Then they refinance, lock in a low APR mortgage loan, and suddenly their monthly bill drops by hundreds of dollars. That's not just a number, that's food on the table, a vacation they never thought they could afford, or finally being able to save for the future. Sometimes a smart home equity loan even gives them the breathing room to pay off high-interest credit card debt once and for all. Now picture a graduate buried under student loans. Every month feels like a race they're losing. But then comes student loan refinancing. One plan, one payment, one lower interest rate. Or maybe it's student loan consolidation that turns a chaotic stack of bills into something manageable. And suddenly, they're not just paying down debt, they're planning ahead. They're saving for a first home, maybe even starting a family. That single decision to refinance changes everything. And what about the emergencies? The car that breaks down on the way to work, the medical bill that shows up out of nowhere. This is where personal loans come in. A low-interest personal loan can keep someone from spiraling deeper into debt. And when those personal loans are used for debt consolidation, it's like lifting a weight off your shoulders. One loan, one date, one chance to finally breathe. But here's the part that matters most. Not all loans are equal. A secured loan, tied to something you own like your home or car, can offer a lower rate. But there's more at stake if things go wrong. An unsecured loan, on the other hand, doesn't require collateral, but often comes with a higher APR. And if you've been struggling with your credit, bad credit loans might be the only option. They're not perfect, but used wisely, they can still be a stepping stone to credit score improvement and better opportunities down the line. The key is choice. Right now, online lenders, banks and credit unions are competing harder than ever for borrowers. That means you have the power. With loan pre-approval offers, with loan calculators, with comparison tools at your fingertips, you don't just have to take what's offered. You can shop around, you can demand the best loan rates, you can take control. Because here's the truth. A loan isn't just about borrowing money, it's about rewriting your story. It's about the family that finally breathes again after refinancing. The student who finally sees the finish line after consolidating debt. The everyday person who takes one smart step toward financial freedom. So the next time you hear the word loan, don't think of it as a burden. Think of it as a tool, a powerful one. Because in the right hands, a loan doesn't just carry debt, it carries possibility, hope, and maybe even a fresh start.